So I'm with the cave wife and the cave stream beyond, and she won't stop talking about these belts. Can you imagine?
Belts? I can't keep up with these. We just figured out how to do shoes yesterday.
Indeed we did. Belt sales are so good, I can barely contain all the goats I have. Because goats are used as currency. And I have so many of them. More than you.
Okay, thank you, Sally.
Okay.
Stand her and her abundance of goats. Well, look what I have, Sally. Brand new shoes made of the freshest hides.
Well done. Hey, personally, I thrift all my hides. I refuse to contribute to fast cave fashion. I'm not calling you a bad person. Well, I just thought you should be aware, because if you think about the amount of...
Gary, what was that? Are you about to die? You can't die. I still haven't been informed on the dangers of fast cave fashion. I'll start thrifting.
Linda, I am pretty sure I'm alive. I don't even know what that was about. I mean, it felt like there were spirits coming out of my throat or something. Like in that documentary Mother Frances showed us. The dark arts in your changing body.
Gary, I knew you were kind of woke, but I never knew you were a warlock. I need to tell Mother Frances.
Not Mother Frances. Linda, think about this for a second. Think of all the wonders we could do. I don't know, I just did, but we could make some serious barter off of this.
What are you picturing?
Well, we could tour the world, showcase these arts of the darkest kind. We can open an Achu circus with shows every moon. People would pay hundreds of goats to see us. And think of all the people we could teach to do this. I mean, we could be a sensation.
Well, we need a better name for it than Achu. What are we calling this?
Come on, Sneeze, double time!
And who would pay to see the dark arts?
You know, you can never get any dark arts around here.
Miss, it just so happens we have 4 goats worth of dark arts.
That's right. This is something you have never seen before, and you don't even have to pay us up front. Stand back. The arts are about to be darkened.
Well, that was just upsetting. I am not giving you any goats.
Gary, what was that? You looked like you were trying to lay an egg. I'm so sorry, miss. You don't need to give us any...
Ew, I have the dark arts all over me. What? Mother Frances!